In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer crypto from Binance to Coinbase. This is a simple process, but it's also one where accuracy really matters because sending crypto to the wrong address or choosing the wrong network can cause delays or even permanent loss of funds. So as we go, take your time with each screen and double check the details before confirming anything. Start by opening the Coinbase app. Once you're in, look for the receive option and tap it. Coinbase will then ask you to choose the crypto asset you want to receive. Make sure you select the exact same asset you plan to send from Binance, such as Bitcoin, USDT, or USDC. After selecting the asset, Coinbase will generate a wallet address for that coin. Copy that address carefully. This is the destination where your crypto will be sent. Next, open the Binance app and go to your wallet. From there, choose withdraw, then select the crypto asset you want to send. Again, this must match the asset you selected in Coinbase. For example, if you copied a Bitcoin address in Coinbase, you need to withdraw Bitcoin from Binance, not a different token that looks similar. Once you reach the withdrawal screen, paste the Coinbase address into the recipient address field. After that, choose the correct network. This part is extremely important. The network on Binance must match the receiving network supported by Coinbase for that asset. For example, if you're sending BTC, choose the Bitcoin network. If you're sending a token like USDC or another Ethereum-based asset, you may need to choose ERC20 if that's the matching option for the address you copied. Never guess here. If the network does not match, your funds may not arrive properly. After confirming the address and network, enter the amount you want to transfer. Before you continue, review everything one more time. The asset, the wallet address, the network, and the amount. It's also a good idea to be aware of any withdrawal fees and minimum transfer amounts shown by Binance, since those can affect how much actually arrives in Coinbase. When everything looks correct, tap withdraw and complete any required security verification steps. After that, the transfer will be submitted. Depending on the blockchain network and traffic, it may take a few minutes or longer for the funds to appear in Coinbase. That's it. If you follow each step carefully and verify the network and address before transferring crypto from Binance to Coinbase is straightforward and safe.